Welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how to create an account with chatGPT, otherwise known as OpenAI. You type on Google OpenAI. If you type on Google OpenAI, you will not see that. Rather, you put chat OpenAI. So this is it here. I will drop the link on description below, so you can from there and the tire. So this is it. Let's sign up. I click on sign up, and I'm going to use Gmail, and I'll select the Gmail I want to use. Say tell us about you. You put your name here. Click continue. I'm going to enter my phone number. Say send code via SMS or send via WhatsApp. So whichever one. Once you receive the code from your cell phone or WhatsApp, you enter it here. Otherwise, you can click on resend. So click resend code. You're going to get a code that's saying OpenAI verification code on your phone or your WhatsApp. So let me enter the code that I received. Automatically, it will log you in. Cool. This is the dashboard of ChatGPT. It's a recent trend that can change it from light to dark mode. So whichever you want. This is OpenAI Discord, and this update flag and logout. Let's check OpenAI Discord. Say discord/invite/OpenAI. So I've been invited to join OpenAI. These online users and these the members. I don't want that for now. So let's concentrate on chatGPT. So this example of what you can enter is explain quantum computing simple terms. Got a creative idea for 10-year-old's birthday. And how do I make a HTTP request in JavaScript? So this is a bar where you can enter your search. After that, you click the right hand side that shows a send arrow. So let's search for something. Here I say what is a ChatGPT. Let me see if it has it on the database. You say, I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with ChatGPT. I'm assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. Are you kidding me? No. So I need something specific before it will help me. I have to try it again and see whether it's going to open this time around. So click on try again. Good. That is cool. Now to those what ChatGPT is all about. So ChatGPT is a chatbot trained using the GPT-3 language model. It is designed to respond to your input in conversation manner using the vast amount of text. It has been trained to generate human-like response. ChatGPT is not a real chat, but it is a concept and not actual product. Wow. So if you try it again, still get the same result, or maybe a little bit different. So I've seen the meaning of a ChatGPT according to the OpenAI. Let's try another thing and see the results also. So you can try as many things as possible you want to get an answer. So what I actually understand, if you ask questions, it's going to give you some tips and some answer. So what is different between ChatGPT and Google? Okay. To say ChatGPT is it's supposed to be between. Say ChatGPT is a large language trained by OpenAI. We have seen that before. Google is a company that offers a wide range of products and services, including search engine, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is specifically designed to generate human-like response to text inputs, while Google offers a variety of products and services that use AI and machine learning in different ways. Additionally, Google is a real-world company that provides service over the internet, while ChatGPT is a model that exists only in digital world and cannot be accessed directly by users. So this is the difference between ChatGPT and Google according to the OpenAI. So in case you are doubting it. So let me now search the difference between ChatGPT and the search engine. So search engine is what you query to get an answer. If you really want to explore something, this is what you do. So what difference between ChatGPT and the search engine? So let me see it. So you see, as I mentioned earlier, man, it's like this guy is getting angry. See, as I mentioned earlier, sorry. Let me provide a feedback for you so that it will not be angry. Oh. So, why a search engine is a tool that allows users to search for information on the internet. ChatGPT is specifically designed to generate human-like response to text inputs. Why a search engine allows users to search for information by entering keywords and phrases. There are two very different tools that serve different purposes, and they are not directly comparable. So you cannot compare two of them. Well, some people say that ChatGPT is going to replace a search engine. So you can see what we're seeing here. So you see two of them cannot be compared. So according to ChatGPT. Okay, we'll move on. Okay, let me say what is an OpenAI. So we'll learn more about what is an OpenAI. Wow, that is great. Give me an answer in seconds. Okay, say OpenAI is a research institute and laboratory that focuses on development of artificial intelligence AI technologies. It was founded in 2015 by a group of individuals, including Elon Musk and Sir Atma, with the goal of promoting and developing friendly that can be used to benefit humanity. OpenAI conduct research in a variety of areas related to AI, including machine learning, robotics, computational linguistics. It has also developed a number of widely used AI modern technologies such as GPT-3, this and that. So that is the meaning of OpenAI. In case you don't know, so you can ask it here. So let's reset this trend and go back to the dashboard. So we can start afresh. For now, this is free. I have not paid anything for all this. So let me try the brain of ChatGPT by asking a quadratic equation. A simple quadratic equation, and see the answer. Or search. Wow. I mean, this is just awesome. It's giving us step by step on how you can solve this quadratic equation. Now step 1. Now step 2. Now step 3. Step 4. Wow. Wow. So this is the answer. This is the question I asked. And this is the answer. So move the constants this to this. But this is just awesome. This is awesome. So this can be used by businessmen, students, writers, so whoever I want to use this, because it's going to give you some clue which you can now work on. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share the video with your friends. If you have any question, you can ask on the comment section. I have some courses in the description which you can take if you like them, and it will make you advance on digital skills. So this is a nice and a chat OpenAI.com chat, and called the ChatGPT. So therefore, the solution to given equation is x equal to 4 minus 3y bracket all over what? 3. Oh, that's cool. At least this is cool. So you can use and search whatever you want. And for now, I just use it for free. Don't know what comes up tomorrow. Stay cool and keep on exploring.